What's poppin', y'all? Welcome back to my channel. You already know it's your girl Jaliyahlashon, back with another video. I'm trying not to wake my brother up, that's why I'm talking like this. Oh well, he up now. But anyways, in today's video I'm gonna be doing my 1 month update on my hair. Yes. It's been a month. Like, this was an exciting month. Like, you know, I just got to see my hair change a little tiny bit, and then I don't know, usually like through all of my other life journeys, through the first month I always had thoughts of taking them out or doing something different, or I can't wait till this time so it can look like this. But in this life journey I've just been like enjoying the whole process. Well, there's been times when I didn't like my hair, but everybody has bad hair days, so that's fine. But yeah, it's a month. My hair is not washed, so when I do my 360, if it's a little flaky, it's not washed. But I did record different little clips and stuff throughout the month. I'm gonna insert them here. Alright, so I'm just about to do a little update for y'all. It's been a week since I had these in. I got my little brother with me today. This is James. Let me fix my hair. I had just fixed it up, but now it's looking a mess. Alright, so I actually made a week yesterday, but I didn't record because I didn't even think about it until like 1 o'clock this morning that I didn't make my update. So yeah, I'm about to make my update right now. So let me get closer. So my hair is already getting frizzier, and that is probably mainly because I already washed my hair, and I be wetting my hair often. At first I wasn't wetting my hair because it was like really soft. It really didn't need no moisture or nothing. Like, even after I washed it, it was still like super soft. So yeah, but then I started wetting my hair because I was like, wetting your hair helps a lot. So yeah, I've been trying to wet my hair every day. So yeah, and that also helps like in the morning, because I haven't been tying my hair down. I just been putting my bonnet on, so it like helps in the morning when it's like looking real crazy. It helps it look better. But I am having a lot of shrinkage, as you can see, because the shape of my hair is different. In my other video it was more round, and now it's more like flat. I don't know, it's shaped weird. When it grows out, hopefully it'll be round again, because I'm not really feeling this shape. It's alright. Maybe if I do like a side part it'll be better. I don't know. But it has already shrunk up a lot, but that's okay because shrinking is a part of the process. And I also want to show you guys some locks in the back. A lot of them have curls, like the twist turns into a curl. There's the one. Pretty sure this is one of them, but let me find my favorite one. It is. It goes right into a curl. I love that. Like, it's so pretty. I wish more of them was like that, but some of them around that one are like that too though. So yeah, but I do want my ends to seal. I don't want them to be loose curly forever. I did interlock my hair right after I installed them, and my hair is already starting to grow out. My scalp is a little flaky, so yeah, but my hair is already starting to grow out, and it's been a week. See, I guess I'll just show the ones in the front then. Alright, and show some in the back. Show on this side. And now I hope y'all can, let me get closer, which y'all probably can't even see. And let me show y'all this one again, closer up. And some on the side. So yeah, that's really all the updates I have for y'all for my 1 week. Alright, so I washed my hair. I washed my hair for the second time today, and this time I did not braid and band because I didn't feel like my hair was clean enough when I braided and banded, so I didn't braid and band this time. And so far I don't see any unraveling. Here's like my tiniest ones, and they're still intact. So yeah, but I'm gonna go through my hair and with my scalp, moisturizer and all that, and I'll let you guys know if any of them unraveled. But yeah, I did notice a little bit at the ends, like it looks way curlier, but it might have been like that before, I don't know. But yeah, I'm just gonna go moisturize my hair, and I'm gonna tell y'all like if it was any unraveling or anything. Alright, so I just finished moisturizing my hair and oiling my scalp, and I didn't have any unraveling at all. So I'm not gonna be braiding and banding anymore. Just gonna wash my hair like regular. So my hair is looking like I am a little over a week. I'm a little over a weekend, maybe like a week and a half maybe. Hopefully it'll lock within the first year. That's my goal. I don't want it to take 2 and 3 years or like a year and a half to lock. I want it to lock within the first year. I think it'll take me about 8 months, but we'll just have to see. But yeah, so just wanted to, that's all I wanted to tell y'all. Alright, I know I look a mess right now. A hot mess, but it's okay because, you know, my hair needs to be washed. It needs some moisture. It just needs some love, like just. But anyways, my TV is on, so if you hear that in the background, it's on. Alright, so yeah, I just wanted to come and update y'all. I have had my MICROLOCS in for 2 weeks. Well, actually, it's more like 2.5 weeks because I made 2 weeks on Saturday, which was the 6th, and today is the 10th. So yeah, I'm super late on this update. My bad for that. Like, I was just being lazy and didn't record. But what's going on with my hair? So my hair is getting a lot frizzier. I'm pretty sure it wasn't frizzy, this frizzy, a weekend. It was frizzy, of course, because I washed it, but it wasn't this frizzy. Like you can see. And my ends have gotten a lot curlier. Like the ends of my twist are curls. All of them. And I remember back in my I'm pretty sure that was my 1 week update. I was showing y'all like how I think it was this lock, I don't know, how my lock was a whole curl at the bottom, and I was like, I like that. I wish more of them were like that. More of them are like that now. Like almost all of them have curls at the end. I think all of them do. It's some of them that are a little straggly like that. But I did have my hair up today, so that could be why too. I have my hair in like 3 buns. But yeah, I do have a lot of growth, like a lot of growth for just 2 weeks. But I have a decent amount of growth. I feel like it's.
Hi everyone,
That's loud. I feel like it's like. Let me turn it down. Alright, so I feel like it is about 1/4 of an inch, but it really looks like it's a little bit more than that. Maybe like 1.5 centimeters. Like, I don't think that's right. But yeah, that is how much growth I have in 2 weeks. That's crazy. That is a lot of growth for 2 weeks. So when I get to a month, just imagine that. Yeah, that's a whole finger width, like. But so I think that's 1/4 of an inch. I'm not sure though. I'm not familiar with measurements. But anyways, I do have a lot of loose strands because I moisturize my hair often. I keep my hands in it. And when I wash my hair, I don't braid them in anymore because I don't like braiding them in, so I don't do it. But that is the reason why my ends are so curly, because I don't braid and bend. My ends don't get tangled, as you can see. My fingers go right through it. But I have a lot of loose strands, so those get tangled. But my ends themselves don't get tangled. Like, they're all pretty much just in their own place. And I think that's because the sizing that I went with are on the bigger side, so they all just curl on themselves. Last night, I interlocked this lock in the back from root to tip. So we have a little one that's different. And there is a tiny hole there. Hold on. What's that? I'm gonna put my finger behind it. Hopefully y'all can see. But there's a tiny hole there because I interlocked my roots when I installed them. But I'm gonna fix that hole. And yeah, so I have one interlock now. I was gonna interlock all of my hair, but I just thought about it and I was like, I feel like twists would give me the desired look I'm going for. Is my ends will be blunt faster. And then I didn't want to push myself 3 weeks back by interlocking my hair, because by the time I finish my hair, like interlocking all of it, I would be probably a little past 3 weeks. And I don't want to push myself back a whole nother 3 weeks when I just pushed myself back a whole nother month, because I went from traditional to MICROLOCS. Alright, now that that's over with, I'm gonna tell y'all what's going on now with my hair. So, oh yeah, I didn't do a 3-week update. I just did a 1 week and a 2 week. That's why you only seen 2-week updates. But anyways, so yeah, my hair has gotten a lot frizzier. There's a lot of loose strands as well. It's also got a lot curlier, as I mentioned in one of the other clips, and it shrunk a little bit, not a lot. It's a little flatter than it was when I first did it, but I'm pretty sure that's just because my hair was stretched, so it was more fluffy. What else? I feel like they're getting thicker too. I don't know if they are, but I just feel like they're more firm, like a tiny bit more firm. And I do like my hair much better when it's retightened, because before my hair wasn't retightened, all that new growth would make it like stick to each other, and then it would be hard to like get it out of that shape. You know, when you sleep on your hair and it's like smushed up, it would be hard to fix it from that. And it shrunk more because of all the new growth, and it was so curly. Like, I had a lot of new growth. It was I feel like it was like maybe 1 inch and 1/4 of an inch of new growth. Like, it was a lot. Maybe it was just 1 inch, I don't know, I didn't measure it, but it was a lot. And let's see what else. I don't really know what else has been going on with my hair. It looks really good. I love it. Oh, I am using a different shampoo. I don't think I mentioned it, but I'm using this shampoo, the Suave Daily Clarifying one, and I'm only using that one because the other one that I had didn't really wash my hair good. I don't know if it was me or the shampoo, but it wasn't working, so I got this one. It works a lot better. So yeah, I guess it was a shampoo. I don't know. I do not know. But I don't braid and bend my hair. Pretty sure I mentioned that. And yeah, since I'm 1 month now, y'all gonna get a lot more hair videos. Like, a lot. But I'm gonna try not to put too much out because I don't want this to turn into a complete hair channel. I do other stuff on here, so yeah. And what else? Notice no big changes yet besides the frizziness, and my hair doesn't tangle at the ends. As you can see, they don't tangle at the ends. Much the big changes that I noticed, like just frizziness, and they've thickened up a little tiny bit. Well, I don't know, they probably didn't. I don't know, I feel like they did. Because like when I touch them, they just feel like there, you know what I'm saying? I don't know if I'm even making sense, but yeah. So now I'm just gonna do my 360. I'm gonna move over here where the light is because it's kind of dark over here. It's a little cricket, but it's just gonna have to do. And I'm trying to whisper because he's sleeping right there, and I don't want to get up because I don't feel like having to deal with him because he. Alright, I forgot to say earlier that I do have a retightening video coming for y'all, and it took me about 6 days. Yes, 6 days to retighten my hair because I had to babysit, and then some days I was being lazy, and then some days I would do a lot, some days I would do a little bit. So yeah, it took me 6 days. Next month, honey, best believe it will not take me that many, 2 at the most, because I try to split it into 2 days, like the front one day, back one day. But yeah, and it wasn't 6 full days. I would only work a few hours a day. But yeah, this is my hair at 1 month and 4 days because it's not the 23rd. But anyways, it's my hair at 1 month and 4 days. That's all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. If you would like to follow me on any of my social medias, they will all be linked below. Like, comment, subscribe, all of that. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.